6812 Bottle Sage. We have another property in the subdivision. It did very well. We are right next to, on the other side of this complex, there's a lot of shopping, and on the other side of that is the highway. So it's convenient and desirable for a lot of renters. There's no wood frame around the garage to maintain, which is good. And we have desert landscaping already in place. We definitely need a landscape cleanup, which is something we do on all of the properties. Get rid of the weeds and things like that. We also have this. A lot of times Jenny wants that filled in, less of a liability, one less thing to have to repair. So we'll see what she says. Really tall, beautiful front door. The deadbolt and the door handle are a little dated. So I'm going to put down on the list that we want to change it out and paint the front door because the new footprint doesn't necessarily match the existing one. So I will note that there is a smell. I think it's cat. We do properties that have that smell. Sometimes it means ripping up all the carpet or whichever room smells the most like cat. And then sometimes painting with Kiehl's. So this room has what looks like an addition. Yes. Okay, so we need blinds. We'd like to put the 2.5 inch forward blinds up. Okay, so we have what looks like a closet that's supposed to be here, but it's being used as a laundry room. It would be a very large laundry room. And we have the correct 2.5 inch forward blinds. This style doesn't have a valance. I'm just going to point that out, but it doesn't look like it's supposed to. And also if it will be used as a laundry room, not sure if it matters. I will not count that window as needing a blind. So that toilet, I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to put down that we need a new toilet. This shower actually looks pretty clean. Counter looks great. The light fixture is a little old, a little bit of rust, but nothing terrible. I haven't decided on the paint yet. I'm going to keep walking through the property and then I'll give you my opinion. This is laminate counters, not the granite that we like, but I will say it's in good condition and it actually has a nice look to it. So I don't know if we can keep it. The cabinets are in good shape as far as look-wise, but like this cabinet needs to be adjusted. It looks like that one may need to be adjusted as well. I'll put 2 down, but as necessary. It smells a little stronger in here, which is interesting because we have tile, and the tile is actually in pretty good shape. Okay, so we do not have a garage door opener on the third car garage, which is normal. We don't have a pan at the water heater. We probably would not add it at this time, but it did look like there were earthquake straps in place. So we have 2 nice fans, and we have the 2.5 inch forward blinds that are the same style as the laundry room, which is without valance. We don't have a security bar in place. May not need one, but I'll go ahead and put one down just in case. Rollers definitely need to be adjusted on the slider. It was very difficult to open. So we'll see what Jenny says about these screens. This side of the house is the north side. We should probably remove them because it makes the house darker and really isn't a need. Looks like they probably kept a dog or something back there. Hopefully it was a dog, I guess. AC looks a little rusted, but we'll see from the inspection report if it still functions. This side of the house clearly gets a lot of sun. So possibly leave it. The palms definitely need attention. They need to be cleaned up. going to put down that we need to adjust the door handle just because it was hard to lock. Okay, so we also have this additional living space. So this wall that we're looking at, it's the east side. So there will be a good deal of sun and heat coming through. So we'll see what Jenny says about keeping the screens on the outside. Really wide stairs. Gives it an elegant feel. Banister's nice, large fan. Random dated light fixture, which would be really cheap to replace. That also doesn't appear to be working. Carpet looks good, but again, I don't know if we need to pull it up because of the smell or not. What is that? I don't know what that is. What is this? Oh, looks like someone went into the attic. I don't want to know why. We have the correct 2.5 inch forward blinds here, a really large, beautiful fan. Don't need a shower rod, but probably need a blind. The cabinets look a little old, so they might need a coat of paint, but the sink looks good, light fixtures look good. Okay, so we have these built-ins. We need closet door guides. I think on all of the closets that have doors. We were missing a valance, so I'm going to put a blind down. Carpet looks fine in here. Paint looks good throughout. I'm going to say 20% repaint. We need non-locking door handles. We have a shower rod in place. Don't think we need a blind because the window is so high up. Probably adjust that cabinet. One, two, three, four. I think that's 4 doors that need non-locking. Okay.